Good afternoon, guys. Down by Morgan's. Morgan's Tavern there. And where are we? Can't see anything today, guys. Neptune's there. There we go. Just going to walk down here, see if there's more life on this way. Cross over a minute. Yeah, Morgan's definitely open at night. Last stop there. That's not back open yet, that's going to open in March. I don't know if, yeah, the bars are looking like they might be getting ready to reopen. Waikiki. The road door in the background there, all sheeted up. There's a full refurb on that, I think. I don't know if it's going to look any different outside. Definitely well inside. Ambassador, we don't know when that's going to reopen. I shouldn't imagine it's going to be too long though. Parked up round a bit today, so yeah. Your bars up here not open yet. Up to JJ's. They're open as normal. Well, I was telling you about last night. Western Saloon Bar now start putting stuff back in. I'll show you what they're. I don't think they're too far off opening now. Decided to go up. Bit of interior work, I think, maybe still to do. Let's see if we can get a good picture of this. That's what I put up on the top of the new Western Saloon Bar. If that's actually producing electric. I think it may just be for show, like. Okay, I'm going to carry on down a bit. There's obviously a lot of work going on round about Hotel California. They're not tuning in today. Usually packed out there by now. Got the sun out. There we go. We've got the crown pull on the end. definitely back open there. So yeah, starting to liven up again. We can even stardust over the road there, you can even see in there. Starting to get that ready for reopening. A couple of lads in there cleaning up. Maybe just the one, but there's two of them. So yeah guys, big weekend this weekend. I think there's things going on, I'm not absolutely sure. I can't quite remember what I said on the stream last night. I think there's some celebration of something or other. These bars are not opened up yet. The Rockefellers. I'm sure they won't be far off opening now though. Red line over the other side, that's back open. It's going to mean there's a few more people about now. There we go. So we're going to do a lot more talking over music now when we're going past these bars. Hope YouTube allows a little bit because we're just walking past bars. Yeah, so there we go, just keep talking, I'll move on a little bit. So coming up to the end of the video now, got all the clothes shops up here, just out from the red line there. And one of the shops been open the most since that terrible thing happened. The shoe shop over the road there. Anyway guys, I'm going to leave the video here. Like and subscribe as normal. Hope you're enjoying the videos. And we'll see you on the next one guys. Bye.